Hi Vishaka, good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
So how are you?
I am doing well, sir. And what about you?
I'm also good. Thank you.
Yes.
So so this is your first mock interview. We as Downtown Coders inviting you for your first mocking practice interview. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vishaka, can you tell me about yourself?
Sir, myself, Vishakha Gaikwad. I did my graduation in BA Civil Engineering from SRT University. I basically from Nanded, sir, but I currently stay in New Sangi. And my hobby is reading and writing, sir.
Okay. So this is good to hear. Okay. Can you just tell me about your strengths and weaknesses? What are your
Uh,
strengths and what are your weaknesses?
okay, sir. Sir, my strength is I am hard worker, sir. I'm still working until I succeed, sir. Okay,
Okay.
and if you ask me about my weakness, I trust people easily, sir. Sometimes it's
Okay.
hurt me, but that's the reason uh, I met new friends, sir. Lots time.
Okay. Okay. Means you trust people uh, easily, or
Yes, sir.
means yes. So it can be means if means anyone can take advantage of your this weakness, because if they have their work, they can means they can do it by means by telling you, or means your this quality will be means it will be very harmful.
Yes, sir. I will
Yeah.
improve myself, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me your three friends name and why means which qualities you like in them?
Dipti, Sangeeta, and Swati, sir. These are three my best friend. They are best friend because they help me in each and every condition, sir. However,
Okay.
sometimes I will lose fail. They will understand me each and every situation, sir.
Motivate you
Yes,
like
sir.
that. Okay. Okay. And can you tell me why you want to change your field? Because you did your graduation in civil engineering and
Yes,
now
yes,
you want to come into the IT industry. So
yes, sir.
what is the reason why you want to come to this?
Basically, I am the out of field, sir. But in the pandemic situation of Corona, that time I have a lot of time. Then I thought, I think new things, sir. I have to learn new things. Then I should ask my friend. Then he will. She is related to IT industry. Then she
Okay.
suggested me uh, um, coding is interesting. Then I saw some video and on YouTube. Then I thought it is quite interesting. And
Okay.
why should I try as my career point?
Okay. So you have interest in IT, so you are
Yes, yes.
choose this field. Okay. Okay. So, Vishaka, can you tell me more about you that you didn't described in your resume, or you didn't told in your introduction? That by that I can get you the how means what is your personality?
My personality. Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So, can you tell me what is your biggest achievement you think you have achieved that on your own
In yeah, future, sir. Sorry,
in past?
in past. When I was when I was in first year of engineering, then I participate in essay competition. That time I was a winner, first winner, sir. Then I got a 15,000 prize. Then this is my big achievement, sir.
Okay. So that was your first
Yes,
income.
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. It's nice to hear. Okay. And if we select you, okay,
Yes, yes.
and where you see yourself in next 2 to 3 years?
If you select me, sir, I will see in next 2 year as a senior post, sir. I will learn new thing required for a senior post, sir.
Yes, senior software
I
engineer.
will give my
Okay.
100%, sir. Yes, senior
Okay.
software.
Okay. So in IT, there are a lot of fields such as front end, back end, uh,
Yes.
artificial intelligence, machine learning, lot of fields. So why you choose web development only?
Web development is such an interesting thing, sir. Like a CSS. CSS is very interesting, sir. We will
Yes.
apply our web design beautified by CSS, sir. So
Okay.
it is quite interesting, sir. So I choose this
Okay.
field, sir.
Okay. So Vishaka, in your life, there are a lot of problems comes. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
how you tackle that means what is your approach towards the problem? What
Sir,
steps you to take?
yes. Whenever problem comes in our life, sir, then there is an opportunity to do new things, sir. The
Okay.
problem, yes, sir. We can learn a lot of things from problems, sir.
Okay. Means what is your approach to solve that problem?
First of all, I will understand what can I do in that situation. I
Okay.
Patience is most important in that situation, sir. Without patience,
Okay.
we can't anything, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you will learn that, study that problem,
Yes, yes.
and you will wait. Okay. Okay. So by this we'll end your personal HR interview. So now we'll start with the technical round.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. So Vishaka, what is HTML?
Sir, HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used for web designing, sir, web page designing.
Yes. And what is attribute?
Attributes gives the information, meta information to the browser, sir. Such as the span is a attribute, sir.
Yes. No, span is not an attribute. Can you tell me the examples of attribute?
Sorry, attribute style.
Yes. Style is attribute.
uh,
And any another example?
uh, Strong.
No.
Sorry, sir.
For anchor tag, how we use anchor tag?
From one link to another link, for
Yes.
going to one link to another, we use anchor
Yes.
tag.
So there we use href,
Yes.
href, href.
Yes.
So that is the attribute.
Yes, sir.
In image src, source src is
Yes,
an
sir.
attribute.
Attribute. Yes.
Yes. So these are the attributes. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the difference between inline elements and block level elements?
Inline element start from new line, and block level element does not. Inline block element have a top margin and bottom margin, but in block element doesn't. The example of block element is div, and the example of inline element is span.
Okay. And um, now we'll start with CSS. So what is CSS?
So CSS is a cascading style sheet. With by CSS we can beautify our HTML. Yeah, we can use by using CSS we can beautify our web design, sir.
Okay. And what is um, float? Do you know float?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is
Float
float? Why we use it?
float is a CSS property. When our content we have to apply our content one by one, sir. Float left, float right. It's a example, sir.
Yes. So it is used to align the HTML
Align the
element at
yes,
the left side or the right
right
side.
side. Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the differences between HTML4 and HTML5?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in how many ways we can apply CSS to an HTML element?
Inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS, sir.
Yes, correct. And which is having the highest precedence?
Sir, external CSS.
Okay, means external CSS will override the inline CSS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is wrong.
Sorry, sir. No. Inline CSS, the precedence of inline CSS is more than external CSS, sir.
Okay, yes, this is right.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me in how many ways we can select an HTML element?
Sir, simple selector, combinator selector, pseudo selector, pseudo element, sir. Pseudo class and pseudo element.
In simple selector, how we select the elements?
ID selector, tag selector, class selector, sir.
Yes, and how we select an ID and class?
Sir,
By which symbol?
ID select by hash and
Yes, correct.
class select by dot.
Yes, correct. Do you know what is a descendant selector?
Yes, sir. Descendant select like a direct child, sir.
Yes, correct.
We greater than symbol we use for this indication.
No,
Sir.
no. Uh, Descendant selector is a parent-child relationship. Okay,
Parent
and
child.
direct child is a different. Indirect child we use greater than symbol. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. So next. So can you tell me what is the box model?
Sir, box model contain padding, margin, border, and content, sir.
Yes. And what is the difference between padding and margin?
Padding is the space between border and content, sir. And margin is the space outside the border.
Yes, correct. And okay. So next is, so what is row span and call span?
Roll span. Okay. When we have to merge two column, when we use call span, and we have to when we have to merge two row, then we use row span.
Correct. Okay. So, and so this is my last question. Okay. So which are the pseudo elements and pseudo classes?
Pseudo element refer the specified pseudo element is used for style the specified part of element, sir. The example is after which is indicated by double colon.
Yes,
And
correct.
the element of pseudo element is after, before, and last line, first line, first letter,
Yes,
first line.
correct.
Yes.
Correct.
And the
Pseudo classes.
pseudo class is used for, sir, state of element, sir. State of element. The element of
Examples.
nth type of nth type of first, type of last, focus, over.
Yes. Focus or active,
Huh.
link, visited.
Yes, sir.
So these are the, so so I will ask one more question.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what it means active, focus, and uh, one more is there, active, focus, and hover?
Okay.
These states.
Over is used for when we click the button, sir, for change the color of that button.
When we move the cursor on that element,
Huh.
without clicking also it can change. Hover means just going on that element. Okay.
Okay.
It changes the state.
Color.
Okay.
Yes.
And why we use active and focus.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, this I think this is not covered in syllabus till now. So it was very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So do you have any question for me?
No, sir. Right now, no.
Okay. Okay.